stopped you from feeling your soul. So you had to, it hardened you into this ahamkara. Be like, if you cared what your triangle pose looked like, for example. But that slowly switched, and especially as we get into Tantra yoga, that switched a lot. And all of a sudden, they realized that, oh, just like you just felt, if I want to sit down and meditate, and I do these exercises first, oh man, do I have so much more success than when I just sit down and meditate. So that's kind of like the history, like how yoga asana fits into all this stuff, because we've made the asana everything. So on that note, we'll just cross our legs, become comfortable. Close your eyes. And I just want to bring it back to your body and simply breathe out. Let your pelvis sink. And open the mouth. And just feel the air coming into the body. And welcome the air in and let go of worries on the way out. I just want to frame this meditation in an experience of a question I asked you at the start, and that is, are we just a brain, nervous system, muscles, and bones? Or is there something more? So when you breathe in, I want you to really feel that your lungs are expanding. And the more you can expand the lungs, the more you will be able to diffuse the air down its pressure gradient into your blood for food for your body, called prana. Feel long in the crown and just find this beautiful sense of peace in your heart. And feel that the quality of your mind is in the quality of your breath. Make the breath slow and peaceful, and your mind will become slow and peaceful. And incidentally, the word Atman is related to the Greek atmos for atmosphere. Atman, atmosphere is the same thing. So just see if there's a feeling or same roots of when you breathe in the atmosphere that you're actually kind of breathing into your soul. Because I think our ancestors coded that in our language. And whenever you breathe in, I just want you to feel that the place inside of yourself that is expansive and content and peaceful and full of light, make it bigger. Open your mouth, and all our likes and dislikes bring tension into our body. So if you can breathe out those likes and dislikes known as raga and dvesha, the tension will leave the body and we will make more space for light. Fill up your back with breath. Let go of worries. I just want to give you the last 2 minutes here. And there's no right or wrong question. It is completely subjective. What you're in touch with now, is it just physiological, neurological, or is there a power greater than us? Either answer is right. So just make your connection deeper. Be in yoga with it. Take 30 more seconds. Again, expand that internal sense of peace when you breathe in. And breathe out all problems, worries, doubt, and resistance. Okay, bring your hands up into prayer over your heart. And a big dose to gratitude to you all for taking this time to unpack all of this. I hope it's been useful. I hope it really helps you to deepen your experience of life, of yoga, your studies of yoga, whether you continue in our Yogic by Nature course or not, whether it just helps you to do these readings on your own. It's been a super big joy to explore this. Again, big nod, big shaka to the ancient yogis who left us these maps. And with my other hand, a big shaka to all the yogis of future generations. And by the way, where we eventually get to in the Yogic by Nature course is how, when we get in touch with this place inside, that there's a calling, I feel, that I want to share to take care of this planet that we live on. So the shakas to the future yogis who are going to be better stewards of this land. All right, everybody, it's been a joy, and thank you for your beautiful vibrations. I've had a beautiful time. Double shaka. Aloha, everybody. Oh my God, what a joy, what a joy. Oh my God, yeah. There's your list, homework. Hope it helps. Actually, you know what? The real big homework is just doing what we did at the end. Like, that's it, is, again, just to keep feeling it. You can know it, but you got to feel it. All right. Peace, guys. Peace. Shaka. Woo. Let me see who's there. All these people on the camera. Oh my God, Sonia. Wow, look at all these people. They've been so far away. Karen. Oh my God, Sarah. Let's see your belly, Sarah. Oh, Sarah and Michael. Yeah, I love it. Oh, look at that beautiful belly. Oh my God, you're amazing. That's so cool. Bree, Sharon. Oh my God, awesome. Sonia, been so long. All right, peace, everybody. Always a joy. Yeah, Sonia, I feel the same way. Okay, much love, guys. Aloha. Good karma.
Yes.
Good karma.